Um, from Alright, welcome back everyone. On Sunday, another weekly upload. So yeah, how was everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Okay, so without further ado, let's start on the weekly upload. At first, we are going to start with the forest activity planner. So we'll be seeing like what are the main things that are coming for the rest of the week. So from here on a Sunday, the daylight saving for the Australian, yes. So there is Monday there is a AUD bank holiday and CNY bank holiday, and Tuesday there is no red folder news whereby for the day it will be very choppy, like because lack of volume and all this the order flow might not be following through. That's the main thing about it, why we will trade without any red folder news. So, but following on the Wednesday itself, there is a New Zealand dollar news, which is it could the cash rate, right? It could be very highly impact on the New Zealand dollar itself. Maybe we will focus more on the New Zealand dollar and talk more in depth about it. So on the Thursday, there is a FOMC minute on the 2 a.m. At 2 a.m., FOMC minute might just discussing on FOMC stuff, cutting rates or not, and all this stuff, but it won't be affected much like FOMC statement that time. FOMC statement is the final one which makes a decision for rest of the market. And coming 8:30 we have the CPI. Remember what we talked about the big three news that we will trade for? Pre-CPI day and the CPI day itself, it will be very, very choppy the both sides of the market, like the buy side and the sell side. So whoever got into trades like maybe Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday it could be a little bit more choppy, but Thursday definitely is you need to avoid because this is not based on my personal experience. It's not a financial advice. And yes, it will be releasing with along with the unemployment claims. So it is very crucial, like for us, unemployment will be the key for the inflation itself. Okay, so coming out on a Friday, we have the GBP Canadian and the US dollar news. We have Canadian unemployment rate. For the pound GBP, we have the GDP announcing and the US dollar PPI. Okay, so we have done on the weekly news. Next, let's see on the so last week, currently price is in the monthly bracket, which is quite crucial. If the price did want to have a distribution out from last week, remember I drew out this range, which is I want to see is the price either respecting a side. So currently is the price failed to sweep this low before pumping it up. Okay, so from the weekly time frame outlook, it looks like there might be a potential weekly fair value gap, but we are in the monthly range. Let me mark it up. Monthly fair value gap. Okay, this is extremely crucial that price either if the price fail to respect this monthly fair value gap, it will just continuing pushing up higher, eventually up to this high. But this is what I don't want to see, whereby the draw liquidity from the down there is so near. Why not just price just took out the draw liquidity before heading here? This is a bit suspicious. So for me, currently, let me look at the daily time frame. So currently we have the on the daily time frame is there might have a fair value area resting below here, but we might start in the monthly fair value gap and the daily fair value gap, which is it could be another scenario of like this as well. But instead of this kind, right, I am more keen to trade off something like this. I wanted to see the price currently thinking of money fair value gap, right? I want to see a daily BPR. So currently the price is having this thing, right? I want to look for another sweep of high itself, and then eventually a huge dump, showing the true direction, come back into this range, to then continuing lower. We will get involved around here. Got this we have a sweep of this kind. Yes, I want to see something like this. To then continuing lower all the way to a draw liquidity here and all the way down there as well. This is what I would like to I wish to look like. But seems like everything is going to be bearish for a while. Apart from the short buyers, I will have a long bias. Currently, since price is aiming for liquidity without respecting any fair value area offered, I believe this high will be the draw liquidity to pick it up. So if possible, price stay in and does a huge rejection of here. I will be interested to continue short, shorting it. Otherwise, it will be just another pump, break, and retest without any further confirmation. So this is the dollar index. So do let me share this team and for the rest of the premium members out there. Okay. Um, at long fire baby to confirm the information I do want it to remain area or fail to the ultimate point. So since I having a 50-50 correction for the DXY, I believe so the rest of the changes requires more clearer price actions as well. So coming on the gold, yes, everyone's favorite gold. Okay, so currently from this range was the previous weekly candle range, whereby the price is still stuck in the range of this candle, where the price couldn't have a decision to going higher or going lower. I know it's still in a range of all-time high, and the weekly fair value gap first down here. If the price wanted to continuing bullish, I wish it to build the fair value gap lower to then continuing higher. So next thing. So from the weekly range, yes, we are still inside it. Then let's take a look on the daily range as well. So from the outer side, you can see it is a larger range of the weekly outlook. But from the daily outlook itself, from the high and the low, is still in the range. So any price within this range, we wouldn't want to trade it because it is so indecisive, whereby you see the previous candle high and the previous candle low has been swept eventually without showing the true exact direction as well. What do I mean by that is after taken this high, did the price follow through and break through the low and show you the true direction of bearish? No. From here, as you can see from here, did the candle just sweep and then break off this high? I don't think so. It's a break high. It's more like a sweep of both side liquidity for me. So currently we are still in this range. Since we are in this range, right, we have from the daily range, we do have this range. So from this range, no trade range. That we would like to say is because the price is so indecisive in this area. So to you ask, like, Brian, when then we can make a decision to trade? Potentially, we can play around within this range, just like a ping pong. You can just sell high, buy low, sell high and buy low configuration, so on and so forth. But from this range, based on my experience, it will not going to look very nice. So if you ask me, wanted to trade or I want to see a sweep of this high, a continuation downward, If we take out this high, fail to break continuation low, we then continue higher, sweep again to continuing lower. Eventually until this fair value gap down here from the weekly to then continue push off higher. Then I will be interested. Here is what I will be expecting. So I will still the same. I will mark it as no trade range. So this is the XAUUSD price is stuck in the range where weekly previous candle high, low, fail to break, fail to fit and show us the true direction of the market. Price is stuck in the range where weekly previous weekly candle high and low, fail to break the true market direction. Thing goes to the daily time frame. The range is obviously fail to show the intended direction. Show a clear direction. We are stuck in the range. So next on the Australian dollar. Okay. Compared to what gold has reacted on on what price shows the intention of gold. But from the Australian dollar, it does look, I'm not gonna lie, where price just push off this raw liquidity previous weekly, the week previous of the previous week. But the coming week, the previous week just ate up the whole candle, where forming this breakaway fair gap. It is a little bit suspicious to me, but I am definitely still bullish on this pair. I am still bullish on this pair. But from the daily time frame, all are respecting whereby the new daily PD array is showing me the price most likely is going to respect the premium levels more. Okay, so coming back on the daily time frame, price will look like the most daily fair value gap after from both of it. Okay? It could be trade something like this, or this bullish fair value gap hold, then continuing higher, or otherwise just staying into this fair value gap, breaking low with overlapping, just continuation, a sweep again, then continuing low. Could be something. Eventually, all the protected lows are the initial draw into the continuation of this range. Okay. Then try to sweep of a major draw in, then we reject the all sweep a very heavy fair gap. Price could start between daily PD range or the bullish daily fair gap fail to fall and continuing low. Okay, the same thing goes to okay, this is interesting. Initially, the low has been taken out after sweeping this high. What tries to do next is forming another slightly retest, potentially it's up here, or daily fair gap. Is this a very good? I don't think so. It's a fair value gap. But if the price do range about this high, this low, to continuing lower, I wouldn't be surprised. But the price came in to come back here, I'm okay as well. Eventually take out this protected low and this protected low. Yes, no, I click on major probability will try to red, refine, in respect in the premium level more. Mm, okay. The pound does look like pretty good. Very area respected or price things like want to take out this strong liquidity. Either take out this strong liquidity could continue higher or it could just ranging for it or break. Let me check on this. Okay, it does look like the price wanted to come back to the daily time frame to respect the previous behavior. So price could just a little bit open low, a high close for the day, fail to break higher, change of character to continuing lower. To continue, it will be compared to so daily fair value gap is into look high wanted to head and respect the previous the previous. If price does show if price does seem into the daily value gap price and show the reversal from the 1 hour time frame which your risk of just hit the trade. Okay, I'm interested in this trade, but not in blue. So from the New Zealand dollar, just now as we mentioned about forex weekly news calendar, we were saying there is a couple of major news for the New Zealand dollars. So now take let's have a look at price to just following through So from a monthly time frame, it's still early on the month. From a monthly time frame, the price did took up from major draw liquidity. Eventually, a street and a close below from the weekly fair value gap. So now price is currently disrespecting this bullish weekly fair value gap. Then what else will we hold with? The next draw liquidity target definitely is this from the bullish upside. So since price is not respecting the bullish order flow anymore, price could respect the premium areas to continuing lower. It does look a little bit, it looks like the pound, but not as good as pound. So I am looking forward with something this kind of setup, or sting in a manipulation into this premium area and show us the direction and the momentum of the directioners right here. Break the window eventually, at least maybe 1 hour free, and then we take a retest, place your stop loss represented high, and we just take our TP at this draw liquidity. So if let's say we target on this range, could have a nice about 2.5 R. It should be quite decent. So about but I wouldn't want to do any prediction, but it does look like bearish. So coming up next on the US dollar against the Canadian, that looks like a lot of things coming along. Price to just see nearest round PT right here. I just took out one, but the major one is still having broken. But it does look like the price could just respecting this daily fair value gap. This is what it could be a little pump down, thinking into it, a break of the high, becoming nice momentum, then continuing higher. Could be something like this. Let's see Canadian. The US dollar against the JPY. So let me check on the yen basket. From here, okay, the price did magnetize off towards the bond. the bearish momentum definitely could be continued. Where I failed to forecast this right. The first week was right, but the coming week, the second half of the week, failed to continuation distribution higher. So the price did respect the premium levels. It could just aim all the way to this daily bear gap. So for the time being, a continuation bearish on the yen basket is extremely normal, and I am totally agree with it. So if the since the yen basket is bearish, I would love to see a bullish side of against the yen. The yen is out. So coming from this, price respected this. This will be a new protected line. This will be the daily fair gap third sink in, then towards this daily fair gap. Next thing is I want to see a price would beat something like this, right? So I would like to see the price coming up next week doing something. So this yen basket bearish until daily fair gap. So 10 x y bullish. So from the dollar against the yen, yes, that they are right. From a weekly time frame, there is a weekly high as well as weekly. But how does the price going to make it towards this two brown liquidity is towards the brown liquidity. The price respecting this daily fair value is resting above here as well, and this fair value area. So yes, but the bearish momentum from here is quite thin. I is I still believe in the price to do something like this. If the price does something like this, I'm going to take out this low, okay, a pound. Pound is current, the pound is against the 51. A little bit too bad that price in monthly fair value gap it does look like a respecting candle, but eventually the price did pump back into the monthly fair value gap. But if we are so bearish on it, but why would the price just going to disrespect all the premium levels? So now we see from the daily and 4 hour, the whole bullish structure is respected. Whole bullish structure is respected. So from here, you can see the from the daily time frame first, the bullish order flow are respecting very well with a breaker. Coming back with the bearish one, but fail to respect continuing lower, but it does took a sweep of previous daily high, the previously high. Yes, eventually the price just respect the bullish idea more than the yes, sorry, more than uh, more than the bearish one. So currently the price is respecting the bullish flow. We wouldn't want to short it, otherwise price shows us the extension. So it will work. I did lose some on the live trade, but definitely it is definitely normal for us to have some losing trades where there are sometimes like the trades that doesn't go to what we have forecasted and close with have forecasted. Like we did on live with Lawrence. Okay? We did on gains on the goal result before the ADP. I think it's the ADP day. We catch a pretty nice slow trade. It doesn't have to be like very how to say very well forecasted. We just stick to our plan. We just stick to our plan, our strategy, and we just did it consistently. Or then we can see the result. Here. This is what we have gone through together for the past 2 years. Back to the chart. On the bullish side, if since we are bullish up to here, eventually to this high. So what does the price want us to see? So if I'm going to continuation bullish, I wish this whole range will be holding to come back with a little bit of pain to continuing lower. But the range is about right here, about in this range. However, to see it does go in this range. So eventually just a sting and continuation down higher. This is what I would like to see. Since it is a 4 hour time frame, right? 5, 15 or 5 minutes, I love to see something like this to show us the true direction and the pump of it for the GBP. So from the euro against the yen, okay, from a weekly time frame, the previous weekly low was sweep. It is a sweep, and the next target is the previous weekly high as a draw liquidity. So from this, eventually I will still look bullish until the market gets. This is the most ideal one because where the moment the bullish fair market was respected, the bullish daily fair market was respected from here, the price just respected and continuing pumping higher. So this is a daily fair market. Price just staying in and just eject out. If the price wanted to respect any family areas, I would love to see to get involved in here. So I will do something like this. Aim for 1 to 2. Okay, about 2 hours straight, definitely for me. Let's see a thing in. Okay, so for the rest of SSX cross section, why is it will be the same target for me. those are my interest lists are ADFP, URGP, USP, UISP, Y, URP, I just add to ADFP, URP. Okay, guys, and I am done for with the outlook for Forex. So gold, silver major, and we covered all the years there. So if you have any questions, just let us know, comment down below, or just telegram our team to reach me out. So have a good night, guys. Goodbye.